Hello, Mr. Gigabytes here, and today we're going to make the Raspberry Pi retro keyboard case, and we're going to wire it up so that it runs off of a very large battery. And we're going to see how long the battery pack runs. What'll be nice is this basically turns it into half a laptop. The only wire you would need is the HDMI going from the Pi to the monitor. But I've been waiting for the right battery pack to become available and to be on sale. And what we'll be using today is a Polaroid. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power pack. It provides about 2.1 amps. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the keyboard, which isn't hooked up anyway, so that's always good. And there's the Raspberry Pi that we have from before. I'm just going to leave the keyboard cover on because we'll be able to access everything that we need for this. But what I will need is the charging cable for the Pi, and we'll actually hook that up around the back. For those of you listening with headphones, I do apologize. There is a heater going on in the back. It is 18 degrees here, just outside the shop, so it has to run unfortunately, while I'm filming. And here is the power pack. This power pack was on sale for about, I believe it was $10 at Menards, which is a local hardware supply store, but it's a national chain. And so they carry a lot of different things. And as you can see, we have one that has an output of 1 amp and one that has an output of 2.1 amps. And we're going to use the 2.1 amp, obviously. This really is super, super simple. I'm not going to fasten the battery pack down in any way. Don't really need it for the portability. That's just a little experiment. So I'm just we've got all kinds of room in here. So it could go up here, or I was thinking about putting it here and maybe running the charging cable out for it. Out and around that way or something like that. But really I'm just going to we're going to go ahead and scoot this over and plug the HDMI in so that we're ready to go. Make sure the monitor is on. And of course on the right input, which it is not. Let's do the source. There we go, HDMI. Turn it on. Plug the keyboard in. There we are. Looks like the cable was a little loose in the back. And we have a running Raspberry Pi on a 10,000 milliamp hour power pack rather than being plugged into the wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this for a while, and we're going to see how long it lasts.